I open the door. You stand naked before me, waiting, anticipating, timid but hungry, searching my eyes for desire. My ache for you is transparent. My eyes caress you, taking you in love with every exposed inch of flesh. My breathing stops as you exhale with relief. The ebb and flow, we dance, advance, retreat. You call me to you, and I comply. My hands, my lips, exploring your thighs. You lay me down, I sink into the bed. As you lower yourself, I lose my head. The scent of you invades, the taste of you tugging at my tongue. I pull you to me, you cover my face. Any control that I had, gone without a trace. Breathing you in, drinking, swallowing. In your dripping wetness I'm wallowing. You whimper, you moan. Yes, you say. There, you guide me. I forget to breathe. Light-headed and transfixed. A beautiful flavor. You spill down my throat. I never want it to stop. I never want you to go. Let me stay here to live in this place. But you retreat. I advance. Our dance continues as you take me inside.